else? It's a lovely day this morning. It's Teacher Tebucho. Let's start with today's lesson. I hope that you had a good evening and that you did your revision. So let's quickly go to what we have for today. Okay, it's always good to do a warm-up.
We can't hear you, ma'am.
Okay, it's always good to do a warm-up. So this morning we are going to do our counting. We are going to count from 25 up to 50. So just look at my cursor. Shall we count together? 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Okay, now we are going to count backwards. We are going to count backwards from 34 to 1. Can we count together? 34, 33, tell me if I'm going fast. 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21. I can hear somebody counting with me. Thank you. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. Can I hear some more voices? 14, 13, 12, 11,
11,
10, 9,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Excellent. Let's see if we can count in tens and also in twos. Okay, we are going to start with the easy one. We're counting in tens. Let's count together. Look at my 10 columns there. Okay, 10. Are we together? Let's go. 10, 20,
20,
30,
30,
40,
40,
50.
50.
For now, we're only going to go up to 50. Okay. Now let's see when we count in twos. Look at from two there on our chart. We start, it's 2, 4, 6. Look at my cursor, look at the blue block. 8, 10, 12, 14,
6,
15, 18, 20, then 22,
22,
24,
25,
28. We are counting in twos. Just focus on the blue block. After 28, then we jump, we go to 30. Well done, well done, well done. So that's our gymnastics. Now I want us to revise our shapes. Does anyone know shapes?
Yeah.
Have you heard about shapes? Okay, I'm going to show you a couple of shapes and I want you to tell me what shape it is. Okay, can you all hear me well now? Am I audible?
Sorry, teacher, you're very soft. We can't hear.
Okay, I will speak louder. Okay.
Maybe increase your volume.
All right. Okay, doing that. Okay, so what I want to do now, we're going to look at the different shapes. So you look at the shape and tell me what you think that shape is. Okay, here goes our next shape. Does anyone recognize this shape?
I do.
What is it?
It is a triangle.
It's a triangle. Okay. Okay, so do we all see it? Okay. There it is. It's a triangle. Now we're going to look at the next. We are going to look at the next shape. Has anyone seen that shape before?
I have. I do.
What?
No. Star. A star.
Yeah, correct. It is a star. At night we see a star in the sky. Okay, let's look at the next shape. Anyone?
I know that one. It is a rectangle.
It's a what?
It's a rectangle.
Absolutely. So for all of us, it's true. This is a rectangle. Well done. Now let's look at the next one. Anyone who's seen this shape before?
I do.
Square. A square. It's a square indeed.
Square.
Is a square. Absolutely.
It's a circle.
It's a circle.
Circle.
It looks like what?
Around the ball.
It's round. It looks like a ball. Well done. It's
a bouncy ball.
Okay. So you can see that these shapes, we see them everywhere. Even in your home, there are some shapes. Let's see now the next shape.
Oval.
Oval. It looks like what? The circle looks like a circle.
An oval. Egg.
An egg, yes.
A baby egg.
A rugby ball. Have you seen a rugby ball?
It looks like a rugby ball.
Yeah, almost like a rugby ball. Yes, it's an
Yeah,
oval.
like a love.
Yeah, well done, well done. Now let's see our next slide. Now we're going to look at colors. Does anyone know colors?
Yes, I do.
Okay, just give me one color that you know.
I know red.
Oh, red. Well done. Okay, let's see what colors we have for this morning. We go in there. Look at that.
Red.
It's red. And what
Red.
shape is it?
Triangle.
The color. Now let's look at the next shape. Here we go. Oh,
Yellow. Yellow.
it's yellow. And what is the shape?
Star.
Oh, well done.
It's
Now-
yellow.
Yellow, absolutely. Now let's look at the
Blue. Purple. Purple.
oh, yes.
Oh yeah, it's purple.
Color. Okay. And then what shape is it?
Rectangle.
Well done, well done. Now let's look at our next shape. What
Green.
color?
Green.
It's green. Do we all see that it's green? It is green. And what shape is it?
A square.
Well done. It is a square. Now let's
Square.
good. Let's go to the next shape. Okay, what color?
It's blue and it's a circle.
Blue. Blue. And what shape is it?
Circle.
Well
It's
done. Now,
definitely a circle.
good. Now we go to the next shape. Okay. What color is this?
Orange. Yellow. Oh, it's orange.
Yellow.
Orangey yellow.
Good. Yeah. If you look at
Yellow.
And it's an oval.
it's an oval. If you look at the star, look at the star and this oval. You can see that they are not the same. Yeah? So this oval one, its color orange. Yeah, like the orange that we eat in winter. Hey?
Orange is a color between red and yellow.
Absolutely well done. Okay. So now we are going to look at different sizes. Can you tell me the sizes that you know?
Big, small, medium,
Small.
tiny.
Crickets are everything.
That's good. That's good. Now let's see what
And
sizes we have.
smallest.
We've got our triangle there. And what color is our triangle?
Big.
What color is
Red.
red? Okay. Now let's see. What shape is this? What shape?
Upside down triangle.
It's a upside down triangle. It's a triangle as well. Is it the same size as?
No, it's medium.
Okay, we're going to see the other one. Okay. And what color is it? What color is it? What color is it? Green. Wow. Now we have another shape. What shape?
Tiny.
Yellow. It's also
Triangle.
triangle. And what color is it? What color is this triangle?
Yellow.
Yellow.
Good. Can you see that these triangles are not the same size?
That is the biggest triangle. That's blue. That has ever
Two triangle and big.
A big triangle that is
Giant.
up.
A giant triangle, hey? It's quite big. Okay. So remember, somebody told me that they know a small and a big and a medium. So if we look at these shapes, which is the biggest? What color is the biggest shape? Which is bigger than all of them? What color is it?
Blue. Blue color.
Blue.
Blue. Do you agree that the big one is blue? We call it, it's the biggest, okay? That's
Yes,
right.
triangle and the color is blue.
Okay. And then which is the smallest? Which is the
The
tiny one?
yellow one.
What color? Let's see if, okay, yes. The yellow one is the smallest, is the tiniest of these shapes, okay? And then look at the green and the red. Between the green and the red, which one is smaller?
The green one.
Okay, the green one is smaller than the red one, hey? You are correct. Do we all see it? Okay. And then between the green and the red, which one is bigger?
The
Jasmine,
The red.
yes, the red is bigger than the green one. Well done. Well done. Okay. All right, let's look at our next slide. Our next slide, we're going to look at our position. Our position.
positions.
Okay. Sometimes if we are standing in the queue, let's say you and mommy are in the queue to go buy something at the shops. And can you tell me a position that you can think of? Okay. I can say
Biggest from smallest.
Here we're talking about the position, okay? Something in front, something at the back. Like if you're in a queue, you can stand in front of mommy, and mommy can stand behind you. Do you see? Okay. Let's look at this shape. Remember our shape, it's an, what shape is this?
An oval.
It's an oval. And then this ball, where do you think is the ball?
The circle.
It's a circle. And then where is it standing? Is it standing?
In the oval.
Inside. That's correct. That's the position we are talking about. So the circle is inside the oval. Okay? Let's see the next one. The same as you are standing in front of mommy in the queue. Okay? All right, let's look at the next slide. The circle is inside the oval. Okay? And then look at the star. Where do you think is the star? Remember, the circle was inside the oval. Where is the star? Where is the star? Where would you say? Is it inside?
No, it's outside.
It's outside. Okay. The star is outside the oval. Okay. You can say it's outside, or you can say it is next to the oval. Well done, well done. Okay, let's look at the next slide. We are still talking about positions. There is our blue circle. And then now there is our star. Remember, in the queue, we said you can be in front of mommy and mommy can be behind you. So where do you think is the circle?
The
Where
circle is behind the star.
it's behind the star. Do you all see it? Okay. And then where is the star? We said the circle is behind the star. And where is the star?
The star is in front of the circle.
Well done. I can see you've raised your hands. Okay, it is in front of the circle. Okay. And then we said that the circle is where? We said it is behind the star. Okay. We are still continuing with our position where something is standing. Okay. Do you recognize the three shapes that we have?
No,
The
Look at
triangle is on top of the square.
what is on top of the square?
the triangle.
The red triangle.
Okay, boys and girls, do you all see that the triangle is on top? It's on top of the square. That's correct. Okay. You can say it's above or you can say it is on top. That is correct. Now let's look at the rectangle. Where is the rectangle?
Under the square.
Okay, I hear somebody says it's under the square. And then others, where do you think it's? Okay, let's double check. It is true. It is under the square. Well done, boys and girls. Okay, let's
Or
look at
below.
or below. Yes, well done. Hey, English. A lot of words meaning the same thing. Good. Okay, now we go to the next slide. Okay. I want you now to tell me, in your homes, do you have shapes? Do you see any shapes in your home?
Yes.
Okay, what shapes do you see in your home? The what? Okay, I see 5 have raised their hands.
I see a square.
You see a square, okay. What else do you see in your home? Look at your TV.
I see a rectangle.
I see a rectangle too.
And if you go to your playroom, you see your ball, which is, when you write it on a page, it's a circle, okay? Let's look at the next slide. We have these 3 shapes, which I know that you know them. And the colors, the triangle, what color is a triangle? It's red. And the square, it's green. And the circle, it's blue. Okay, so where is the triangle? Okay, just prepare that. And where is the square? And where is the circle? So just draw that so that you can tell me where is their position, like we did previously. Okay.
A is in front of.
Okay. Try the circle is in front of what? Okay, but just draw those pictures, those shapes, and then you will just revise for yourself what those shapes are. Let's look at the other shapes there. Just draw them quickly on your book. We've got our rectangle there. We've got our oval, and we've got our star. Okay. And then tomorrow we will quickly revise where that position, the position of the shapes are. I want you to do this on your own, and then tomorrow we are going to quickly check where their positions are. Can you make pictures with different shapes? Do you think we can make a picture with different shapes? I'm going to show you one. Do you think we can before I show you one?
Yes.
Okay, there's something there. What do you think this is? What does it look like?
It looks like a house.
It looks like
Like
a
a house.
And what shapes have we used to draw this house?
We use the triangle and circle.
And a square. A triangle and a square.
And
Well done.
circle.
Okay, I'm going to show you another picture. And when you're at home, I want you to play around with these shapes to make your own pictures. Okay, boys and girls? Let me show you the next. Wow, what is that?
It's a face.
It looks like a face. Okay, and you can see all the different shapes that they have used to draw the face. Okay, I'm going to show you now the last picture, but you can do as many pictures you like with shapes. Wow, what picture is that?
It's a flower.
It's a flower. And do you see that we have used different shapes and different colors to do our beautiful picture? Can you see? So I want you, when you're at home today, just to draw a picture that you like using the different shapes that we talked about today. Can we try that? I'm sure. Yes. Okay, now let's look at our homework for tomorrow. Okay, I want you to look at your home. You can either look at the kitchen or your sitting room or anywhere, even your bedroom, yes. And then talk about the shapes that you see at home. You can talk to your sister or anybody at home about the shapes that you see in your room, the shapes that we talked about, okay? For example, you can say, what shape is your TV screen, for example? What shape is your window, okay? And then You can talk about the positions of shapes you see in your home. For example, if you look at your bed, you can ask yourself, where is the pillow? Where is the pillow? You know, you look at your bed and you look at your pillow. Do you put the pillow or you put it? So tomorrow you will tell me where your pillow is. So for tomorrow, I want you to tell me what shape is the TV screen? What shape is the TV screen? And then where is the pillow on your bed? Can you hear me, boys and girls? And I also want you to draw your own shapes here. Draw your picture using the different shapes that we have talked about today, or the shapes that you know. You saw the examples that I gave you, the face and the flower and that house. So you will draw your own picture there. Okay. Are there any questions? Is the homework clear, boys and girls? Okay, I believe everything. Well, if there are any questions, remember you are free to send me, to drop me an email. There is my email address, tebohositole0109@gmail.com. Boys and girls, I trust that you enjoyed the lesson today as much as I did. And remember that maths, it's like music, and maths is fun. So thank you very much for today. Do have a blessed day. I see you tomorrow. Enjoy your homework. Goodbye. Bye.